Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about my favorite hair waxes, hair pastes, hair molds, and all of that. So let's get to it. One of my favorite hair products is this Healthy Sexy Hair Soy Paste. It's a 4 shine and a 6 hold. It's a texturizing paste. And as you can see, I've used a lot of it. So it doesn't have much of a scent. So I'll just put like that much in the palm of my hands. I like to rub my hands together. And it's not like, it's not sticky. It's more wax feely than sticky. This is not gonna give you a super hold. It says it's a 6 hold, which is pretty flexible. You can still run your fingers through it, and it's not gonna have shit in a product in my hair type of feel. That's why I like it. So you can use this like in your hair for separation. Like, you know how you can do like Pixie things? You can use this. Like a lot of times I take a chunk and I like separate and separate. So that's one. There are 2 products that I like by Bumble and Bumble. One of them is called Semisumo and the other one is Sumo Tech. So we'll talk about the Sumo Tech. I use this one quite often. I like switch between this one and the sexy hair one back and forth. Just not because I like one more than the other, it's just that, you know, sometimes you just want to use different products. This one smells manly. I don't know. I wouldn't mind my boyfriend's hair smelling like this. I don't have one, but if I did, I wouldn't mind his hair smelling like this. Has like a stickier texture, so you can't really, when you put it in your hair, you can't really touch your hair anymore. So it's just like style. It's really good for styling, but you can't run your fingers through your hair. So if you want more touchable feel, I would stick to the sexy hair paste. But this one is really good too. And then this one has no shine. So it's a matte or flexible low shine hold. It's not like a super strong hold. It's really flexible, but you can't really run your fingers through it. You feel that there's product in there. I'm wiping my hands down here. And the next one that it's also by Bumble and Bumble, it's Semisumo, and this is a shiny product. This does not give you much hold. I use this when I want to do like a slick, like a flat hair, and I want a shiny to kind of have like the wet, just right out of the shower look. One downfall of this product, it does not smell the greatest. So don't tell me I didn't tell you. It almost feels and looks like Vaseline, but doesn't smell. So it's like really, as you can see, I don't know, can you see? It's shiny. And see, not sticky, but just shiny and like glossy. Shiny. So, like, it'll be very flexible hold. Kind of like, you know how your hair is greasy and you want to wear it like this? Or you want to give it the wet look? This is what you use. I have been trying to shop for a product that gives your hair the wet look, and this is the only one I found. It's a high shine, low hold. Pretty good stuff. That's that. There's another one that I use quite often. It's the one by Enjoy, Sculpt. It's a soft, flexible hold. This is like really creamy. Smells good. Clean. Really good. I like it. So this one is when you want to do like a low maintenance kind of like hairstyle and you don't want to have a shit ton of product. It's a lot creamier. See, I'll show you. But it doesn't, your hair will feel really, I cannot believe I put all of this in my hair. So I have like shit ton, poop ton of product in my hair. Because I don't think I'm allowed to say shit. So this one is low maintenance. You don't want to like have flyaways, but you still want something in your hair. This is what you use. Your hair is still very touchable. So yeah, this one is flexible, low maintenance. Just want something in your hair just so that you can still style it, but you don't care if it moves. The other ones will not really move. You can touch it, but it won't move. But this one is like movable, flexible, like a smoother definition. It's like lightweight, but now it doesn't have a stiff hold. That's the way to describe it. These are, I probably have a lot more hair products, but these are the ones that I use on a regular basis depending on my hair needs. These 4. 2 by Bumble and Bumble, 1 by Sexy Hair, and 1 by Enjoy. I'll link all the products down in the comment section so to make it easier for you guys to find them. This concludes the video for all my favorite hair waxes, hair molds, hair sculpting things. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found this helpful, because I get a lot of questions on Instagram about what I use in my hair. So, till next time you guys. Bye.